Greatest grand rising. Cleansing the oil field. You are enlightening to the truth. You are powerful without measures. You are great. You are divine. You are chosen. You are on time. That's right. Meditation, cleansing the oil with King. That's right. Y'all new to the live, push that follow button. Come on top. Tap the screen and tap into the frequency. That's right. You got what it takes. You are enough. You are appreciated. You are valued. You are worth it. You appreciate it. I appreciate everybody coming through. Tap the screen and tap into the frequency. Let's breathe. 999, sign of completion. That's right. You got what it takes. That's right. You got what it takes. You got what it takes. That's right. So let's get us a breather in, y'all. Let's get us a breather in. Inhaling through the nose. Exhaling out the mouth. You ready? 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. One, two, three. Today's gonna be a great day. Happy Sunday. If Sunday's your favorite day of the week, come in. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday, beautiful souls. That's right. You got what it takes. You got what it takes. I say. Cleanse the oral field. That's right. Cleanse your oral field. Boom. That's right. You are valued. You are worth it. You are appreciated. That's right. Appreciate the follow. Appreciate the likes, y'all. That's right. Cleansing the oral field. Supercharged. Big energy. Present moment right now. Give to you. That's right. Inhale it through the nose. It's not the mouth. Meditation with King, y'all. How are you doing today? I'm doing great. Doing wonderful. Loving. Happy Sunday. From my world to your world. Appreciate you coming through. I appreciate the follows. Appreciate the likes. That's right. Y'all want to come into the live, y'all? Come on in. Be y'all best self. Divine gratitude. Positive people. Happy people. Auras. You see that bling around your aura? Yes, that's right. You see the orbits. You see those something on the side of your eye moving around? Yes. Cleanse your aura. That's right. That's a boy so below. That's right. Umba. That's right. Your outside aura, your inside aura. That's right. Umba. Breathe in this energy. Tap the screen to tap into the frequency. Tap the screen to tap into the frequency. Peace to y'all guys and goddesses. Yeah, let's get us a song. Let's get us a song in real quick.
You can join over 1 million people who are taking
It's GLGnetwork.com, y'all. That GLGnetwork.com. Link is in the bio. That's right. Link is in the bio.
I command all the fathers from all time immortal to be upon us in this moment. I salute the Father in you, 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 Father in you. We exalt the Holy Father in us so we can align with the Holy Mother. And we can continue the creation.
Cleanse your aura. That's right. Raise your vibration.
All praises to the Most High.
All praise to the Most High.
I've been raising my vibration.
Y'all give grace to the Most High today, y'all.
meditation.
Happy Sunday.
Just
Be
sticking
grateful.
to the basics. Living in the matrix.
That's right.
It's cynical and crazy. But I've been swimming in amazement. Writing all these verses. Reversing all my curses. Walking in my
Grinding with
purpose.
King, y'all.
Doing it on
You're
purpose.
rooted
I'm
like a
sure,
tree.
I'm certain. I'm pure, not perfect. I rise in service. Of God, I'm a servant. Take me high. All praises to the Most High. I've been hustling my whole life. I know the struggle, I know both sides. I'm at your neck like a bow tie. I don't know death, I'm pro-life. I cannot stress, I'm so love and so light and so bright. And me and God are so tight, the light of my life. I'm reaching new heights while I'm reciting my wife. I'm going bravely, ooh, I'm doing greatly. Life's amazing, I guess it is what you make it. This is prayer, this is affirmation. I've been healing, I've been feeling, I've been raising my vibration. I've been patient, I've been waiting. I've been patient, y'all. I've been raising my vibration. I've been healing, I've been praying. I've been raising my vibration. I've been patient, I've been waiting. I've been stacking, I've been saving, I've been healing, I've been praying.
That's right. It's a movement. Remove that stagnant energy. Cleanse your aura field.
Hella patient, meditating, lighting, saging, elevating. That's amazing. Dedication, self-preservation. I'm a walking revelation for every agent in the matrix.
That's right. Honor yourself.
I'm a lion, I'm a giant, I'm Messiah, I'm in Zion, I'm prolific, I'm so gifted. I see the vision in my third eye, it's so vivid. I've been raising my vibration. I've been patient, I've been waiting.
I've been patient, y'all.
I've been raising my vibration.
We will rebrand man and shape
I've been patient,
future
y'all.
humanity with the possibility of fatherhood. So our children can go farther. And our women can be supported as we move forward.
As we move farther, I say,
Raising my vibration.
Neglected, now protected, most respected and reflected. Yeah,
I
I've been
was raising my vibration.
Healing the hurt, doing the work, never revert.
To wake
vibes
vibes.
that came first. Peace in your mind, peace in your soul, peace in your home. Keeping it real enough to grow, that's how you'll know.
as you've
You're
been raising your vibration.
That's how you know. Yeah, you're raising your vibration. Transfiguration. Out of stagnation, she remembered who she was. That's a daily affirmation. Don't be mistaken. You're still evolving and amazing. Rebirth in Genesis, just like a chrysalis. Journey in grace, protecting your space. Trust your intuition. In the liminal space, your ancestors been waiting. Your higher self been praying day by day. Keep raising your vibration.
I've
Yeah.
been raising my vibration. I've been patient, I've been waiting. I've been patient, y'all. I've been raising my vibration. I've been healing, I've been praying.
I've been raising.
I've been raising my vibration. I've been patient, I've been waiting. I've been stacking, I've been saving, I've been
Been raising
healing,
my
I've been praying.
vibration.
Meditating. Affirmations, I've been raising my vibration.
That's right. Happy Sunday from my world to your world. Love on nature. Go hug a tree today. Tap in with nature. Be free. Be rooted. Be grounded. As a tree you are. Be sprouted in self and love. Gratitude. Value of self. Honor of self. Respecting of self. That's right. Be appreciated for who you are. Appreciate for the fingers you have. The toes you wiggle. The feet that you stand on. the air that you breathe, the hair that you have, the muscle that you have, the blood that flows, the bones that grows. I say. Divine gratitude coming your way. Positive energy always creates elevation. So don't stop. Don't give up on you. Continue to grow. Continue to operate as your truth. Continue to operate as your authentic nature, your true being. That's right. Continue to be your best self. Divine gratitude. Divine gratitude. Make sure y'all tap in. We're going live soon. So y'all tap in. Clubhouse section at 3 o'clock Central. So y'all make sure y'all tap in. Let's build. Let's grow. Let's grow. Positive energy creates everything. That's right. Press that like button. Let's strive for our highest good. Celebrating life. Celebrating you. Celebrating the truth. I say. Grateful for you coming through. Coming this way. Positive energy creates everything. I say.